sweetbreads. I'm getting hungry. It's lunchtime. It's the middle of the day. I'm frying me 2 pieces of bacon right here. I'm going to make me kind of a loaded baked potato. And I love bacon on my loaded baked potato. Do y'all? It is damp and it's cold here today in South Alabama. There's not a peak of sunshine. Not any. I cut my bacon up in smaller pieces so I can manage it. I've washed this potato, and I'm going to peel it and all today, so I'm going to cut it down straight like that, and then straight again, like that, and that was 4 pieces. And now I'm just going to slice it into my water right here, and I'm going to slice it kind of thin. And that'll be a good thing. Anyway, I was sitting back there in my little art room. I was playing because it's raining here. It rained this morning. I had planned today to do something different, but this was still wet. But I didn't get to because of the rain. I already had on my flannel shirt. I had on my vest with pockets and my old corduroy jeans, and I was going to get outside and work today. I had planned that last night. But you know what? Our plans don't always go like we want them, do they? Our plans do not go like we want them. And we have to adjust. Some of y'all are having to adjust right now. I'm going to eat 2 potatoes. That's why I'm cutting up 2. Your plans for life didn't turn out like you wanted them to. Maybe it was your job. Maybe it was your marriage. Maybe it was your children. Who knows? Everybody's is different. Okay, let's let this cook a minute. I'm going to put a little salt in there. Let's see if this is salt. Yep. Salt. And we'll turn our bacon a little bit. So we just have to change. We got to change our way of thinking and change our lifestyle sometimes, and it just doesn't always go like we planned it to. George and I used to talk about growing old together and how we looked forward to it, being together and growing old together, but it didn't happen. It did not happen. He went on and I got old. But I can say that we had 50 great years together. 50 great years, and I'm thankful for that. And so many of you out there are having to adjust to losing your mate. And it is a hard road to hoe. A hard road to hoe. But we can do it. We certainly can. And we're going to smile while we're doing it, because that's what they would want. That is what they would want. You know, talking about a hard road to hoe, my saying that I sometimes would say is, if you're almost finished with something, you would say, I can see the end of the road. I can see the end of the road, and that means that you're almost finished with what you had to do. That's a good thing sometimes when you're doing some stuff you don't want to do. I just put on a load of clothes out there, sheets from the tunnel house. I've got one of those big washing machines, so it works really good. I'm going to save this grease. You know I'm going to save this grease. I used up my other grease that I had. So what I'm going to have to do is get me out another coffee cup, and pour my grease in. We're going to save our bacon grease. We may want to make some gravy or something sometimes. I don't want it today, but I might want it some other time. Here's our little bacon we've got already done up right here. 2 pieces of it. I can't wait. I got to taste one little bite. I love bacon. Okay, I've got 1 big egg back here boiling because I want to get it on done, cool it off. And our potatoes are cooking. And I'll be right back when these get done. We're gonna build our loaded potato. I love sauteed onions on my loaded baked potato. Do y'all? I like bacon on it and all that stuff, but I love sauteed onions on it. So I'm gonna put this in the same skillet that I fried my bacon in, but I'm gonna try not to add any more bacon grease to it. I'm gonna kind of let them just fry in there. I might have to add a little bit, but I'm not going to add much. I'm going to do a whole onion because they cook down to nothing. You won't have any left in there if you don't use a whole one. Like that. The other day when I was doing a video, I told y'all that, you know, they changed Facebook. They revamped it, I guess you'd say. That light is bothering y'all. I know it's bothering me. They changed it. They updated it. Every time they update it, I have to relearn everything I had just learned. And so the other day, they changed it. And what they changed it to was this. Or one of the things they changed is they put the like button right next to the reply button. I mean, they're just ones right on top of the other one. So I kept hitting reply because I wanted to reply to something some of you said. I wanted to say something. And I bet I hit that thing a zillion times and couldn't get it to work because it kept hitting the other button instead. So I wanted to reply to everybody's. Once in a while it would let me do it, and I would reply to y'all, and then I'd have to change it. So have y'all experienced the same thing? Let's put in a little bacon grease and get it started. We'll put in 2 little teaspoons. That's probably clear. Let's fry up our onions to go on top of our potatoes, and let's turn our potatoes down just a little bit. Got our egg back there. We're going to have a high protein, good lunch together that's going to take like 5 minutes. I like a little cheese on my loaded potato. So I'm going to do it on the small side, I think, today. Instead of the large one. That'll be this side right here. Grate me a little cheese. I think if I do it on the small side, it'll probably melt a little quicker. I'm looking down in there to see how much I've got. I think that's a plenty. Oh, yes. That's a plenty, all right. A little thing came with this that you can grate your cheese in. I don't want to store anything. I'm just gonna do it like that because I'm gonna use all this on my potato. Is it dreary at your house? Are you having to make your own sunshine today? I am. I'm having to make my own sunshine. Oh, glory. It's drizzling rain. It's dropping off the roof. It's gray. It's cloudy. But I'm going to paint. And I'm going to eat a loaded baked potato. Well, baked potatoes not loaded. I didn't want to wait on it. And I didn't want to heat the oven up for an hour doing it. But I could have I guess the microwave. Our onions are cooking. Oh my goodness, they're gonna be so good. If you've never had sauteed onions on your loaded baked potato, let me tell you, it's delicious. So what I'm doing is boiling I've got 2 smaller potatoes. You saw how big they were big. I've got my bowl in the oven because I'm heating them up. I don't want to put a good hot potato on a cold bowl. No, no, no. I'm going to get it out because I'm sure it's about warm enough. It is. And I'm going to get out. Had some leftover butter that I did those sweet potatoes with the other day, so I heated it back up. I think our egg is about ready. And take it off. Y'all ever put an egg on top of your baked potato? Your loaded baked potato? It's real good on there. You'll love it. You will love it on there. You don't need to try it sometimes. Just do you one. I wanted mine real soft. I hope it's soft. I hope it's done. I didn't time it. I did not time it. I just put it on. If it's not quite done, that'll be all right too. There we go. There's our egg. I'm not going to split it open yet because I want it to stay kind of warm. So I'm just going to leave it like that. All right, let's taste one of our potatoes and see if it's tender yet. Whoop, dropped it back down in there. This is about the size I like mine. Kind of about that bit like that. It's a no makeup day. I put on some lipstick just because my lips were dry. Just put some cream on top of it. Cow. They're tender. Oh, let me get our colander. Hey, just bring your potatoes over to your sink and pour them in your colander. And immediately pour them into your bowl because you don't want them getting cold. You want your loaded baked potato to be hot. So there they are going in my bowl. And my bowl is nice and hot. And I've got one of those cozies up under it that a follower made me. All right, then we'll spread that out just a little bit. I'm going to go ahead and put my cheese on first because I want it to be melty. And I know it'll do better on hot potatoes. Okay. Ooh. All right, now let's put on our onions on top of our potato. Now see, okay. Put your onions. So we've got 2 potatoes, 1 onion, like that. Okay. We've got some bacon, 2 pieces of bacon on top of that. And here's our egg, hoping it's done. And it is. I'm going to cut it in maybe 3 or 4 little pieces right there to have. I've already salted my potatoes. But I want to make sure I put some pepper on it because I love pepper. I'm going to put a little bit of salt, extra salt. And then put a little pepper. And then on top of all this, I'm going to put... That was my top, y'all. Fell off over there. It didn't break it. Because it's this kind. Alright, so I'm going to put a little bit of butter on top of all of it. I like sour cream on top of it too. I've got some sour cream in there. I'm going to put 2 tablespoons. I might put a dollop of that. Let me get it out. That would be good, wouldn't it? Don't y'all think that would be good? It's cold, but that's okay. It is okay if it's cold. It'll give us a little variety in our potato bowl. I guess y'all could call this a potato bowl. There we go. All right, here it is. We hold it up under it. 2 potatoes, 1 onion, 2 pieces of bacon, big dollop of sour cream, cheese, probably 1 inch square, and 1 egg. And it made this huge amount. You and your love would love this to have for lunch today. I've got some leftover biscuits, but I think when I finish eating this, that'll be a plenty. What y'all think? Let's take a bite. Let me get me a fork. I'm gonna get a little bit of sour cream and, oh my goodness. I'm gonna have a good time eating this. Y'all make you some. Love ya. Bye-bye. Have a great day.